Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Gracie Love, and of course it's yours truly, Gracie Love. And today I want to do something that's sweet and savory. You ever get that craving? You want something sweet, but then you want something that's like fried and greasy. And in those moments, that's when I need a chicken and I need a waffle. But what I like to do, I like to combine it in one. I know a lot of places like to do the waffle and then put your chicken on the side, but I just want it all in one bite. I don't want to waste no time. I don't want to play no games. So I'm going to show you guys how you can make chicken waffle, okay? So I have some chicken tenders that I have fried up golden brown and delicious GDB, baby, and they are cooled and ready to go. Right here in my pan, I got my waffle mix. It is just a cup of the waffle mix and 2/3 cups of water. I got my waffle maker already hot. I did spray that with some non-stick spray. So if you have that, go ahead and do that. You can use butter as well. Just do something so that way the waffle does not stick. So once I got the chicken cooled and it's ready, you want to put it inside of your waffle mix. And I've cut it up. You can cut it up smaller if you'd like to. You could also use chicken breast if you like. I suggest, unless you have really good knives or you have really good knife cutting techniques, wait until after you've cooked and cooled the chicken and then cut it up, shred it. It makes it a lot easier. So I cut my chicken tenders up after they've been cooled, and I'm gonna put them right inside of my waffle mix. Okay, right inside the waffle mix. They're all cut up, and I don't want to overload it because I still want you to get some waffle. So there you go. And you see they're golden brown and delicious. I'm so glad it was enough, because as I was cooking this, I was eating it and it was just like, oh my gosh, let me calm down so we can have some for the episode. And I double battered the chicken. So what that means is I took my flour, which I seasoned up with all my lovely seasonings, which you use what you like. But I use the seasoned flour, and then I dipped it in egg, and then I tossed it again in that seasoned flour, okay? So I got my chicken folded pretty nicely in that waffle mix, making sure all those pieces are coated, okay? That looks fantastic. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply it to my waffle maker. I gotta be careful. I don't wanna just spill all of this everywhere. And just right on my waffle maker, I'm gonna put that on there. Woo. And I'm using the blueberry waffle mix as well, but you could use regular, whatever. I just used what we had. Oh, it smells so good already on the waffle maker. And I'm just filling each little triangle with a little bit of mix, trying not to overload it when it presses it all down. Oh, that looks so delicious. Spread that. It smells so good. The blueberries is already cooking all up. You can just smell that mix. That should be good. Everything's pretty covered. And I'm going to use the last of that waffle mix on the bottom, so we get in as pretty of a waffle as you can try to get when you load this up. And again, because those chicken pieces are in there, don't look to get like a really pretty little Belgian waffle, okay? It's okay. Okay, that looks incredible. So I'm gonna try to be careful to turn this for you guys. That is how it should look when you put it in your waffle maker, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and close that down. And it's gonna be a little tough because again, it's fully loaded. And I'm gonna try to turn it. Oh, I think I just broke my waffle maker, guys. That's okay. We're gonna let it cook like this. And then once it's all golden brown, then we'll turn it over and flip it over. We'll take it out, okay? All right, it's time to take our chicken waffle off of the waffle maker. Oh, that looks beautiful. And like I said, make sure you really good spray that down so it pulls right off real lovely like that. And see, oh, maybe it's because of this on the bottom because it's supposed to flip, you guys. Okay, I didn't break my waffle maker, thank goodness. But I'm going to unplug him, though, so he doesn't burn. There we go. And once your chicken waffle is done, that's what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Golden brown and delicious, baby. Let's cut inside. Let's see what those chicken pieces look like. All inside that batter already. And that chicken is in there. Right in that bite. I'm going to go ahead and add me some syrup. You can add some powdered sugar as well if you want to. Ooh, yes, Lord. That is so fantastic. Look at that, baby. I want you guys to see that chicken in there. Look at that. Look at that. Chicken waffle. That's chicken. And you get that crispy texture from the chicken, that sweetness. Again, I used blueberry, excuse me, it's so good. My words is jumbled up. Lord. I used that blueberry waffle mix. Oh man, and it just adds a whole extra sweetness with that syrup. And that chicken is still moist and juicy. It doesn't dry out, being that it cooked a little more on that waffle maker. And the waffle just came out so beautiful. It just came out so beautiful, you guys. So this is definitely something you want to go ahead, give it a try. If you love chicken and waffles or you never had it, chicken waffle. Don't do chicken and waffles. Do chicken waffle, baby. Make sure you get your copy of Quick Fix Meals made by yours truly, and let me know how you guys like this recipe, or if there's a recipe out there that you'd like to see made here on the show, go ahead, hit me up, let me know. Special thanks out to Alex P, who always comes through and makes everything look fantastic. Again, you guys, share, make sure you like, subscribe, okay? Chicken waffles, again, it doesn't get that any easier. Simple, fast, cheap ingredients. It goes good every time.